Podise as well as a Pomoto Manenze. Gentlemen, the thing that everyone is talking about, social media is buzzing, is the red card that Abubakar Mobaras gets here for this tackle on Maswanganyi. What are you seeing?
For me, at first, I saw the direction of the ball changes and I looked at the angle as well where Mobaras is coming from. And as a defender, as you're late there, I'm thinking because the ball has been changed and also you look at where the ball was. I don't think either Maswanganyi was close enough to the ball to be able to do anything with it. But as an attacker, you want to touch the ball just to change direction so that you can allow the foul to go through. But I thought in that instance, Mobaras actually touched the ball first.
So there you go. Mobaras' leg comes across. It looks like he's ahead. What do you see here? Can you explain why the referee has given the red card?
I can't be 100% sure of why the referee gives a red card because I'm in Randburg. But the thing that I'm suspecting here, I'm suspecting the referee gives a red card for Doxo.